everyone, welcome to 12320 Idlewild Road. I'm going to show you this amazing house that has amazing potential. Over 4,300 square feet, built in the 1960s. Come on in. As you walk in, you have this amazing foyer. There's so much history in this house. Built in the 60s and completely renovated in the 90s. You have this amazing wallpaper. No bubble popcorn ceiling, can you believe that? And look at this amazing molding. As you come in, you have an amazing family room. Something about the 60s is the culture that they had a room for every single party. Here is our formal dining room. This is not as big as they are making now, but this was comfortable and sweet and perfect for a family to sit and have dinner, have lunch, or holiday meals. Right behind, we have the kitchen. The kitchen is very petite and very comfortable. You have your breakfast area right here. You have to love this wallpaper. And then a completely renovated kitchen back in the 90s style. Not open floor plan, but a very easy functional kitchen. Just look at this design. Look at this oven. They don't make these anymore. And here we have the laundry. And this is the tea room, the sunroom, whatever you want to call it, where you can just get away, enjoy the warmth of the sunlight. And then we'll take you outside. Featuring 6.7 acres, there's a lot that you could do with this property. Do you want to have horses? They have plenty of area to graze. Do you want to tear this beautiful home down and put a development? You can get a little more than even 10 houses here. So we're going to walk through the land and see some of the features that it holds as well. This 6.7 acre property has this entire pond all to itself. 6.7 acres. This pond takes up about 0.7 acres, almost a full acre. If you want to build a development here, imagine you already have a retention pond. If you don't want to build a development here, but you love the house and you want to live here, your kids have a pond to jump into. No pool needed. So, if you're interested in this property, whether it's for development, whether it's for residential, it's worth taking a look at. Don't miss your chance. This house is not going to be on the market for long. I hope all of you enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to post below.